Robotics has a lot of great products that are perfect for engaging children and students in STEM skills, in engineering, and in prototyping. This is one activity that you can use with your children or with your students. And this is something that is very easy to share through learning management systems like Canvas and Google Classroom. This particular activity provides a work plane and an engineering design challenge. This challenge is to build a tower using the pieces that are provided. This is a Google slide, and it's set up in a drag and drop format. So you want to make sure that you're using this in the edit setting and not in present. If you put this in present mode, then it will not show the different pieces that are on the right-hand side here. So all you have to do is click on the pieces and drag them over to the work plane. You can move the pieces around, and you can even change the orientation of these pieces in order to make them into the appropriate type of structure that you're trying to design. So this challenge is to build a tower, and we're trying to build a tower that is at least 10 centimeters in height. So our work plane here is broken down by centimeters in our darker lines, as you can see this hint. And we want to make sure that it's at least 10 centimeters high. So we're starting down here at the bottom, then it's going to go up to here. And we want to make sure it's also 7 centimeters at least in width. So those are the parameters for our challenge. We also want to make sure that we include 3 platforms. And platforms are meaning the horizontal pieces that we might see in a specific type of tower, like the Eiffel Tower, for example. So we want to make sure that there are at least 3 platforms, and that might be something that you could put a piece of artwork on, or if this were a real tower, you could climb on that particular platform and walk across it. So there's all different kinds of ways that you might present your particular tower, your structure that you're building. So as you're manipulating these pieces, you move them around into whatever orientation you like, and you can also copy and paste these. So you can right-click on them and copy and then paste it. And you can also go up to your tabs up here, and you can go to edit and copy and paste there as well. If you're going to share this particular activity with students, it's very easy to do so. What you want to do is go up here and copy this address. But before you do that, if you delete this section at the end where it says edit and just type copy, then that will allow you to make a copy for your students in providing this particular link, so that when they click on the link, it will do a forced copy, and that way it does not edit your original. If you'd like to share this activity with students, you can go to this bit.ly link, or you can scan the QR code here. Robotics has a lot of great products that are 3-dimensional and manipulatives, and you can actually order these products and be able to build them in your classroom. But in the meantime, in trying to engage students in remote learning and still continuing development of their STEM skills and their engineering skills, these digital activities are a great alternative during remote learning. But check out the Robotis website so you can see all the different types of STEAM and edutainment activities that they offer.